Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Let's explore Digital Bingo. You can use materials from multiple products in the same game. First, select a bingo game you would like to play. Select Play One Bingo Game to only use the targets in the product you have selected. This option is ideal for individual therapy or a group of students with similar goals. Select Play Multiple Bingo Games to choose targets from any Super Duper Bingo game. This option is best for a group of students with different goals. Next, add up to 6 players by clicking the plus sign above Add Player. Change the player's name and avatar by clicking the Edit button. Close out of the window when you are finished. If you are only using one bingo game, simply drag and drop that game to a player or select a player and click a target. If you are playing with multiple bingo games, first select a game in the top scroll, then select a target within that game from the bottom scroll. Select the next player before choosing the next target. Select Next when you are finished. In this menu, there are a variety of options for your bingo game. Select Drag Chips to pause after a prompt is given and manually place chips on the board. Selecting this option allows students to interact with the game and allows for time to scan the board. Players must drag the chip onto the board before play continues. If Drag Chips is not selected, chips will automatically be added to the board and gameplay will move to the next turn without clicking. If Show Full Card is selected, the clue, answer, and picture will show on the calling card. If Show Clue, Hint, Answer is selected, only the clue will be displayed initially. Click Hint to display the picture. Click Answer to display the answer and the picture. If playing with one player, select the turn counter to display the number of turns taken during the game. At the bottom of the menu, designate how you would like players to win. Select multiple options to win in multiple ways. Click Next to start playing. A chip will automatically appear on the free space for each board. Players take turns answering prompts and adding chips to their boards. Calling cards will appear automatically. Click the X to add a chip to the board and move to the next turn. A feedback button can be found in the upper right corner of the screen. The first person to fill the board, as designated at the beginning of the game, wins. If more than one person has bingo in the same round, every player who has bingo in that round wins. If playing solo, try to win bingo in the least amount of turns. End the game at any time by clicking the End Game button at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.